I don't think he's here, but CR Avery invited me down. He said, you got to come. And this is the first place where I used to come and see CR. And Miss Spelt, who's sitting over here. And I used to live in the neighborhood about 8 years ago. And it's nice to be back. Here's a song. It's called Sounds Like Rain. Is that coming out of there? Sounds like rain. It will be daylight soon. Cool wind washes over me. I wanna dive into my chest. Take that elevator down and rest under the weight of the ground. Sounds like water, carved bone in my sleep. Wild alchemical mysteries full in the street. In a part of town nobody goes. I'm taking in that scenery, smelling the road. Dancing with the light in the belly of the beast. The rain is falling upwards as the sun sets in the east. When the wind is suddenly here, that whistle will blow, and I can't tell a handsaw from a hawk that's rolling low. Sounds like motion, but I'm standing still, digging my way to the bottom, the blood in my will, and on the way back home, like a bat out of hell, I heard a sound in the ground, deep in the way. When the wind is suddenly here, that whistle blow, and I can't tell a handsaw from a hawk that's moaning low. And the sky is coming down on me. The moon and the stars in the heart of the mystery. I know it, I know it, I know it's getting hard to see. The moon and the stars in the heart of the mystery. Sounds like thunder. The only thing to do is you taking a hold of me, and me taking a hold of you, 'cause we're way up high above the bark and the bud, where the moon is like a remedy, silver love. Sounds like rain, sounds like water, sounds like thunder, and it will be daylight soon.